I'm truly delighted that after many months of planning and co-creating, we've got to the position where there's a joint research office between the University of Nottingham and the Trust. This has been a culmination of a relationship that has been really important to both organisations for a really long period of time, and the research output from Nottingham has been phenomenal. But this takes us to another level, gives us an opportunity to work even more closely together and to bring together that clinical and translational research for which we're so well known.
Our new combined single service will streamline research and development across the two organisations, reducing bureaucracy for our researchers and increasing opportunity for our patients. Patient-based research is a major priority for both our organisations and for the country, and the COVID crisis has further underlined its importance. We in the university and our colleagues in Nottingham University hospitals are proud of our joint research achievements during the crisis, and now is the perfect time to build on that success.
As co-director of the Joint Research Office, I'm very proud of this day that we're seeing the launch of our new service. This has been a project we have all been working on for the last decade, and it's really exciting to finally see it coming to fruition for the health and wealth of our greater Nottingham region. It's very exciting times, and I very much look forward to a much brighter future for research and innovation in Nottingham.
This is something we've dreamt about and worked for several years now, and it's really great to see this come to fruition. Joint research is hugely successful between the university and the trust, but doing research between two organisations is bureaucratic, and that's difficult for researchers and makes things more difficult for clinical research for the patients. So the joint office is going to change all that. So I look forward to even greater success, easier research for researchers, more benefit for patients, and a better time for us all.
The last year has told us how important it is to be able to act with great agility, to respond to really important pressing science and clinical questions in the face of COVID-19, for example. And I think we've done that very well here in Nottingham with actually pressing forward very rapidly on some of the trials and other studies that face directly into trying to solve this enormous challenge that we're all facing. So it's wonderful to know that we're going to have an even more organised effort to work on research for all the things that are going to come in the future.
The Joint Research Office will be great for researchers because it will make research approvals and research management simpler, and it will be good as well for the university and the NHS because it will make the management of research projects simpler and more efficient.
The Research Office will deliver on the joint long-term vision for clinical research in Nottingham. Its formation will enable us to achieve this ambition by bringing together existing support, expertise and alignment of processes to provide a seamless, integrated service to clinical researchers and research groups, which I'm sure you will agree will benefit us all.
From the hearing perspective, we already benefit from working across the two organisations. We have world-class scientists at the university, and we have fantastic world-class facilities as part of the clinical research facility in the Trust. And the new joint office will really allow us to step up our ambitions to really grow working on hearing research across the two organisations. And we think that this will make a real difference over the next few years in how we can deliver some very ambitious clinical trials that we hope will change the face of hearing healthcare in the future.
Together we will build on Nottingham's world-leading research involving patients and volunteers to make a significant impact on people's health and patients' outcomes.
The university and the trust working together is absolutely vital. We can't exist without each other's input. The trust relies on the research expertise that the university has. And of course the university needs access to our staff and our patients to produce trials and to deliver them. So I think this relationship is absolutely vital. I think from a researcher viewpoint, the key benefit is that they'll have a single person to go to or a single place to go to that should be able to navigate them through all the various stages of how to get a trial accepted, funded, and then delivered, really.